morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Today I am going to perform the EPLAN 1A with its title, Position Lines and Position Circles. So we have its scenario description. At 0900 hours, three ships were at the vicinity of Catanduanes with their respective coordinates. So we have ship 1, ship 2, and ship 3. So before that, let me introduce to you the equipments on how to plot. So here we need to have this nautical chart, the pencil, the compass divider with its eraser. Compass divider and pencil with its eraser, then triangles. Yes, two triangles. So now we are going find 13 degree 35 minutes north and 124 degree 30 minutes east. So we are going to use the triangles. So here the 35 minutes north, so the latitude. So the latitude 35. So here, draw a line. Then 30 degree east, 30 minutes east rather. So here we have a. So draw a line. So this one is our coordinate. This one is our fixed position. So here in the statement, the Kalapatan Bay Lighthouse, we have to find its bearing. So here, the Kalapatan Bay, then we have to draw a line from Kalapatan Bay Lighthouse, Kalapatan Bay Lighthouse, put line to this fixed position. So here we have to find its bearing. So we have to use these two triangles. So we have to simply just drag it down this triangle to the compass rose. Now as what you can see, it is 298 degree. So the bearing is 298 degree. So in finding its distance, we have to use this compass divider. So here in the fixed position to the lighthouse. Then here, we are going to transfer it here to the latitude scale. Then as what you can see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nautical miles. So here, 9 nautical miles. Then next, we are going to proceed the Nagumbuaya point. So the Nagumbuaya point is here. So we have to point it down. Nagumbuaya point here is here. We have to point it down. Then we have to draw a line. Then we have to find its bearing. So the same thing. I'm going to use this. Then drag it down to the compass rose. So as what you can see, it's 258 degree. So the bearing is 258 degree. And to find its distance, the same thing, the compass divider. Fixed position to the Nagumbuaya point. So here, then transfer it to the latitude scale. As what you can see, it's 10 nautical miles. So here, 10 nautical miles. Then now we're going to proceed to ship 2 with its coordinates 13 degree 25 minutes north and 124 degree 05 minutes east. So first we are going to find the 25 minutes and the latitude. So here the same thing. Here we can see the 20 minutes. So here 30, so it is expected that this center here is the 25 minutes. So we have to draw a line here. Then the next coordinate is the 05 minutes east. So here 10 20, so 10 minus 5 equals here. So this is the 05 minutes east. Here and encircle it. So this is our fixed position. So now we're going to find the San Andreas lighthouse and the Vera point. So here the San Andreas lighthouse is here, the star as what you can see, or then here the Vera point, then draw a line. Same thing with the Vera point. Now, so we are going to find the San Andres lighthouse bearing. So just like this. Then move to the compass. Move to the compass rose. So as what you can see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 4 degree. So its bearing is 0, 0, 4 degree. And now, in order to find its distance, the same thing with the ship 1. So we're going to use the compass divider. So here, this fixed position point to the Vera point. So here, then transfer it here, so as what you can see, it is 11 nautical miles. So its distance is 11 nautical miles. Now let's proceed to Vera point. The same thing, we're going to use the ruler. So here it's like this, then drag it down to the compass rose, so what you can see, it is 51 degree. So the bearing is 51 degree here, and the distance, same thing, use the compass divider, this point to this point, then transfer it here. Then as what you can see here, kindly zoom it in, it is 10 nautical miles. So here it is 10 nautical miles. Okay. So now we are going to continue the ship number 3. So we have the Ungay point, then the Piso Diaz lighthouse. So here in ship number 3, our coordinate is 13 degree 05 minutes north, 124 degree 20 minutes east. So in order to find its coordinate, we have to use the triangles. So here, so it's 10 minutes, so minus 5. So this one here is the 05 minutes. So here in the latitude, so here we have to draw a line, and then in the longitude we have the 20 minutes east. So here 20 minutes, it's okay to use only one triangle in this one. So here, you have just to make sure that it is line. Here, draw a line here. So here it is your fixed position. You have to draw a circle on it. And now we have to find the bearing of Ongay Point and the Prito Diaz Lighthouse. So first we need to do is to find where is the Ongay Point located. So here, the Ongay Point. So here, this one. Then the Prito Diaz Lighthouse is this one here located. So we have to draw a line from this point to this point. So here, also this one here. Now we have to find its bearing of the Ongay Point. So in order to find its bearing, and now that it is already in the compass rose, inside in the compass rose, all we have to do is to use one ruler. Then just make sure that it is aligned. Now, aligned. So the bearing is, so what you can see, it is 308 degree. So the bearing of Ongay Point is 308 degree. Then in order to find its distance, same thing, you have to use the compass divider. So just like this one, from this point to the point of Ongay. So here, just transfer it. So as what you can see in the latitude scale, as we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we can actually see that it is 9 nautical miles. So here, 9 nautical miles. So now we are going to proceed to the lighthouse, the Prito Diaz Lighthouse. So the last part. Now we have to use triangles in order to find the bearing. So here we are just going to make it align here. Then drag it down to the compass rose and make sure that it is aligned. So now, as what we can see, it is 254 degree. So the bearing is 254 degree. So now the last one is the distance. So here we are going to use the same thing, the compass divider, from this fixed position point to the point of the Prito Diaz Lighthouse. So here, kindly zoom it in. Now transfer it to the latitude scale. Latitude scale. So as what you can see, as we count it down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's the 9, then it is in between of 9 and 8, so it is 8.5 nautical miles. So 8.5 nautical miles. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something from what I have performed earlier. So that's it. That's how to plot the nautical chart. So all you have to do is you have to have these equipments, these tools, in order to find the coordinates, in order to find its bearing, its distance. So that's all for today, and thank you. And
Yeah, baby. I want you to be mine.